What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Having to redo this outro because for some reason my video did not record, or the SD card, for some reason that clip was wiped out for the intro that I made that was on the water. So I'm making this real quick, but appreciate you guys clicking on the video and checking out the channel. Hopefully I will be able to get out some more videos here soon, mainly hunting and fishing content. But yeah, today's video is my first time ever fishing from a kayak. Me and my dad recently just got some kayaks. The one I'll be on today is an Ozarktrail Angler 10, I believe, which, if you don't know, is Walmart's brand Ozarktrail. So it's not like a super high-end fishing kayak, but it is the fishing version of their kayaks. So it does have like rod holders in the back and stuff like that, and has some compartments for storage. So it is made for fishing, and it actually was pretty good. My first time ever fishing from a kayak, so I was still getting used to the paddle plus having the poles on board and everything like that. And it's the first fishing video I've made in a while. So appreciate you guys watching again, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, first time ever fishing on a kayak. See if we can get in this thing. All right, y'all, we're gonna start off with this little crankbait. Got to our destination okay. Caught their line, dang it. Oh, I'm stuck. Got it off. Oh, I caught someone else's line. What do we have here? It looks like I caught a lure. Yep. Caught someone else's lure. I don't know what this thing's attached to, but it's hard to get off. I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but it looks like this guy's using some sort of spoon. Caught it. The line is like stuck in there in the water pretty good. But dang it, got it caught it again. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut this line because, dang it. Now I'm getting all tangled up in it. Let's see. There. Okay. Alright, there's my bait. Where's my... Oh, here we go. I'm just gonna cut this line. As far as I can down there and get it out of the way. If you're ever fishing, y'all, and you get caught on some line or something, do your due diligence and just take an extra second just to get it out of the water.
Helps out the fisheries, y'all. Alright, I'm coming up on some stumps and stuff in the water. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but I might end up taking this crank off and fishing with a worm or something on the bottom. Actually, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I may pick this back up in a little bit, but I'm gonna not put that. Let's see, I got another rod rigged up here for a worm. So let's get the little box out, our worm box, and see what we got here. We got, I think this is what I want to try, these trench hogs. We got Okeechobee craw color, looks pretty good, kind of a smaller presentation. Tear these appendages off. The hook I have might be a little bit big for it, but I think that this is the 4.65 inch Okeechobee craw trench hog from googanbaits. Let's try this. I've actually never fished with the trench hog, so I've been kind of anxious to use it. Don't know how well it'll do. Yeah, hook is definitely way too big for it, but I'm not gonna retie. I'm just going to fish with this. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty dang good. Let's see if we can cast this in some of these wooded areas and see if we can get a bite here. That would be awesome. Let's take our time and slow down a little bit. Been using that moving bait this whole time so far, so let y'all know if I get anything. All right, we're gonna try a little something different here. Okay, take the crank off. Put a jerkbait on. Oh, there's one. Got one. I got something here. I couldn't tell if that was a fish or not. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh. It's a white bass. Oh gosh, oh no. There goes my paddle. Out hooked him. Oof. Alright, let's see here. Well, y'all, first fish. Okay, calm down. Well, his mouth is actually bleeding, so it might have actually been in the mouth, and then since it's a jerkbait, caught him in the belly, but boom, first fish. Actually, that might be a hybrid, baby hybrid, but not bad, pretty cool. First fish from the kayak. Let's go ahead and let him go. Oh, I got water all over me. That was a mess. That was my first catch with from the kayak. Well, we did not get skunked, y'all. That's probably what I felt earlier. Little hybrids biting me. I'll take it though. Did not get skunked.